Good afternoon. I'm at Retzer Nature Center, west of Waukesha, trying out my new GoPro 13. It's like 15 degrees out. This is real close to my house, so I thought we'd give this a try. So let's get going. Yeah, last time I was at Retzer Nature Center, Waukesha County Parks, I did the yellow trail, which goes around the whole park. There's all kinds of trails that are in this smaller area. This thing, as cold as it is out, we're gonna do the real short loops and just get a feel for the new camera. Yeah, there's many trails out here. Best thing about this little park is about 1.5 miles from my house, and it's a free county park. You don't have to have a sticker to get into it or anything like that, like most of the parks do. And seeing that mine just expired, I haven't bought a new one yet. Well, check this out and see how these trails are. I haven't been on these trails in years. Yeah, we're gonna be taking the Orange Trail, and that's only about a mile of that. Pretty barren out here this time of year. There's nothing. There's a lot of trees down, so they're clearing most of this out. I don't know why. A lot of trees down. A lot marked for it to come down too. Or those, I don't know if those ribbons are to save them or what. One thing about coming out here when it's this cold out, nobody out here. I haven't seen anybody. It was like 2 other cars in the parking lot. The sun's out. Beautiful pine forest I'm walking through. Just gorgeous. Yeah, it's cold. It'll warm up next 3 or 4 months. So, and the sun's just coming through, just gorgeous. Okay, we're back out of the forest now and coming back up towards the building park. I just did a short, like 1.5 miles here. And there's asphalt. Can't feel my right hand, but oh well. I gotta get some gloves where I can just take the fingers off. I meant to do that a couple weeks ago. Never happened.